Hello everyone, my name is Adam. Searching smarter, not harder. Let me show you how Gemini 2.0 can supercharge your search experience. So first of all, you can open up the app or open the website to access the Gemini 2.0. You can see it right here titled at the top. And basically, this is where the magic begins. Type in your query, and Gemini 2.0 does more than just search. It uses advanced AI to provide accurate, personalized results. Okay, and let's have an example. The query right here. Let's say I want to know about climate change, or let's say I want to know more about New Zealand. Right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and type right here, enter, right? And if you want to refine the results, you can just go ahead and use filter like, let's have an example, latest update, and hit right here to click. Right, it says right here, I can't help you, right? I need to be specific about that. New update about New Zealand. Yeah, New Zealand. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here. It says I can help with the responses on elections or political figures. Just about culture, let's say. Culture. Right? Now you're gonna see the results right here. The Maori culture, the importance. You have the Haka, and Maori, and save your favorite results or create collections for easy for access later. With Gemini 2.0, everything is organized for you and it's saved automatically, so you don't have to worry. You can click the three balls at the top left and find it right here on your chat. And enhance your search game with Gemini 2.0. Again, Gemini 2.0 is experimental, so possibly there's going to be a lot of mistakes, so you need to be specific about your questions. It's not just like ChatGPT where they cannot respond. They will need to be more specific. The more you're targeting the question, your query, the more specific answers that you're gonna get, right? Because finding what you need has never been this seamless with Gemini 2.0. Try it now. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.